Python create Unix timestamp 5 minutes in the future. I have to create an expires value 5 minutes in the future, but I have to supply it in Unix timestamp format. I have this so far, but it seems like a hack. Is there a module or function that does the timestamp conversion for me?
Another way is to use calendar.timem. It's also more portable than %s flag to strftime, which doesn't work on Windows.
Now when Python is greater than or equal to 3.3, you can just call the timestamp method to get the timestamp as a float.
Just found this, and it's even shorter. This is what you need.
You can use datetime.strftime to get the time in epoch form, using the %s format string. Note: this only works under Linux, and this method doesn't work with time zones.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.